Good morning, happy Monday, and welcome to day one of our Unit 28 in Letterland. This week we're going to be focusing on adding a suffix. Now, last week we were talking about adding prefixes. Those were those special beginnings that we could add to a word. A suffix is going to be a special ending that we can add to a word. We've seen special endings such as S, showing more than one. Today we're going to have the special suffix of ing, I-N-G. So here we can see our ing ending, and one thing that's going to stand out that makes ing special, not only is it a suffix, it's a magical one. You'll notice that our ing is wearing a very familiar hat and holding a very familiar wand. Our ing ending can do the same magic that we see from our magic E. That magic where we're able to wave that wand and allow those sparks to shoot over onto a vowel, one letter away, letting that vowel say its name. Now you might be saying, Mr. Jones, who cares? But that's going to be very, very important for us this week. Let's take a look at our first word here, if we may. My first word is one of those magic E syllables. I see that ending there for me. Again, I know those magic E sparks are going to shoot on over here. Do, 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 do. Allowing O to say its name, and our word is hope. With magic E being silent, the word is hope. But what if I wanted to add my special suffix ending? What if I wanted to add ing and make the word hoping? Well, I could write my word like so. With my ing ending here. But that wouldn't really make a lot of sense because both my magic E and my ending both want to do the magic. In this case, I don't need the magic E anymore. My ing suffix is going to do the job, so I can get rid of the magic E. And now I can just make my word look like so. H-O-P-I-N-G. Again, my ing ending is taking the place of the magic E, so my letter O will still get to say its name, and my word will be hoping. I'm hoping to see you all very soon. Let's take a look at another example, if we may. And here I'm going to have the word make. Again, a magic E syllable with that magic E sprinkling its magic onto the vowel one letter away. In this case, the letter A gets to say its name, a, k, and the word is make. But what if I was making pancakes for breakfast? I want to add my ing suffix, ing. Well, just like we saw before, my ing can take the place of my magic E, so I do not need that magic E anymore. I can just add the suffix ing, making. I'm thinking about making pancakes this morning. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. Let's go to another word and see what happens. And here I have the word jump. Well, here there is no magic E at the end of the word, so I can just look to add my suffix. No problem. My word jump, in this case, is going to become the word jumping. Now you may say, Mr. Jones, what about the ing's magic? Well, remember, it can only shoot its sparks over one letter. It shoots its sparks over my letter P, but it just lands on the letter M. No problem. My word stays the same. Let's take a look at another example. Here's my word hop. Now, if I see a bunny in the woods, I might see that bunny hopping. So I have to, again, add that suffix, add that ing. Let's take a look at how that's going to work. Here I'll have my H-O-P, and I'll add my suffix I-N-G, and I've got my word Wait a second. This reminds me of my word hoping. Magic ing is going to shoot its sparks over one letter, and it's going to change my O to become a Mr. O, hoping. I don't want my bunny to be hoping through the woods. I want it to be hopping. So I need to think of what I can do to make sure these magic sparks don't land on my vowel. In this case, I'm going to be adding a best friend to save the day. I'm going to give Peter Puppy a best friend with my ing ending so that that magic ing doesn't get to the vowel. Here's my best friends. Now I can add my ing. And now when I look at my magic ing, those sparks are going to land on Peter Puppy. Doesn't bother him. My letter O still gets to make its ah sound. My word can continue to be hopping. Now that bunny is hopping through the woods. Let's look at one more example if we may. In this case, I'm going to have the word run. Sometimes I like to go running when it's nice outside. So I need to add an ing suffix to my word. But if I added ing to my run, what would be the problem? You got it. Those magic sparks would land on my letter U, and my word would become ruining, I guess? I'm ruining outside? That doesn't make sense. So to solve that problem, I'm going to add a best friend at the end. I'm going to give my noisy Nick a best friend. Again, I'm doing that to make sure the magic doesn't get on my vowel. So there's my best friend. And now I can add my suffix ing. Now those magic sparks just land on my consonant. My vowel is still very happy to make its normal sound, and my word is running. So here you can see magic ing suffix can be very helpful in terms of taking a magic e's place. But we have to be careful that we don't let its magic get on vowels that don't need it. Okay? Here's going to be our word list for this week. What I'd like for you guys to do after you watch this video is I want you to practice reading our list 2 times. I'm going to include a picture of this list on our assignment. You're going to read this list 2 times with a grown-up. After you read, then you can make a private comment that says done and click the turn in button. Very quickly, let's go through the words that we have for this week. Our words are hope, hoping, hop, hopping, jump, jumping, tap, tapping, run, running, make, making, rock, rocking, step, stepping, swim, swimming. And we even included our tricky words for this week. We have two. The first tricky word is extra. Sometimes I like to do a little extra work. And last but not least, question. Speaking of which, if you guys have any questions about our assignment today or about our lesson, please give me a message in Class Dojo or hit me up in Google Classroom. We're learning some really new things, and it's okay if you have some questions about it. Otherwise, have a great day. I will talk to you guys soon, and you know the deal. Peace.